Ladies and gentlemen,
In this video, we are going to see what functions are in programming. So in Python, functions is a reusable thing. It means it is a reusable block of a code. Suppose you have a 10 lines of a code and you wanted to repeat it, you wanted to reuse it multiple times in your program. So what you can do is you can keep it as a function. So function is a reusable block of a code that performs a specific task. It allows you to basically organize your code into manageable and modular pieces. So let us see that how to define it. So for defining it, it's very simple. What you will do is you will write a keyword called def, following up with what the name you wanted to give it. Suppose I'm saying greeting. So greeting is the word that I am giving to my function, and after function, it is compulsory to use the brackets. So the very important thing in the notation of the function is that the round bracket, which I have used just now. So you will use round brackets, and after round brackets, you will write colons following up. While when you will press enter, you will be in the next line, and here you can write what you wanted to do. Suppose I wanted name. So what I will do is I will say print this is how we define a function. Now I have defined one line of a code and I have given it a name. So if I wanted to use it, what I will say greeting Python. So it's printing Python for me because the task of that function was to just print the name. So that is what the function is. Here we have just created a function with the name greeting and we have added name as a parameter. So whatever you're writing within the round brackets, it is a parameter. So it's a parameter, name is the parameter over here. And when I'm calling this function, when the function prints the greeting to that function. Suppose I want any message also, so you can write saying hello, comma, name. So it says hello Python. Like this, it works. So this is what the Python function is.